We are going to use the XModdz BGA cleaning compound to clean the BGA GPU chip. I'm going to put some Kingbo flux going across the line. Notice there has solder balls on there. We're then going to use a tad bit of the cleaning compound. It's going to brush it gently across. Don't need much, stuff works really well. We recommend proper ventilation or mask for safety procedures. We're going to use a Hakko FX with a 10mm tip. Just going to tin the tip there. And this is the fastest cleaning. The Hakko FX is set to 300 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Let's get the extra out there. And we have our BGA braid, but we're going to use a used piece of the XModdz BGA braid to show you how well it works. You can get an idea of the comparison using the used piece of BGA braid. Again, same used piece. Get this last corner. The station is set to 300 degrees, and this is our used piece, which still works very well. And the final step is the XModdz cleaning pads. Use a bit of alcohol, acetone, MEK, whichever you prefer. You don't need to be gentle in this step. Get really good cleaning. And that is the fastest BGA chip cleaning.